respond in this Typhoon Yolanda, we did conduct assessment in different municipalities. We went to the 4 municipality in Iloilo and 2 municipality here in Capiz. We did to get data also what is the condition of each barangay and the community. So far, at the Philippines, here in Western Visayas, we prepared 2,500 for 2 municipalities. It's just good for 3 days for 5 families, 5 family members. The area that we are going to target is here in Capiz, which is here in Panay, particularly the 2 barangays, coastal barangay. And the next one is we will be targeting Estancia, which is, I think we will be targeting the island barangay, which is badly hit and they really need food packs in that area. Yes, we do have a follow-up project, which is we call it network response. We will be giving hygiene kits and water purification units. There are needs in temporary shelter, food, water, hygiene kit, and at the same time clothing, flashlight, and lightings at night because of there's no electricity over the community. If you have the capacity to donate, please donate because the community is really in need for help.